Here's the app called FreePrints, print photos. So just tap get and then double click to install, then you will be able to install it. This app, as you can see, is going quite high in the charts recently. You can see over 600,000 ratings, and it's a free app to get all of those photos of your phone and into your hand in just days. Get thousands free 4 on 6 prints a year, no subscriptions, no commitments. Print photos quickly, easily for free with this app. And then you can order your prints, of course. Just open the app, select the photos you want to print from a camera roll, photo stream, Facebook, then choose your quantities and you are done. Your free prints will arrive on your doorstep in just days. All you pay is just small shipping charge. Order up to 85 free prints a month, right from your iPhone, iPad. That's 1,000 free prints a year. So they just running this deal. Wow, it seems pretty cool, and that's why this app, is going high in the charts. It's getting featured on TikTok. You can see what you're paying for. Standard shipping starts just at $2 and never goes about $10, of course, in US. So then, you can just open it up. You can see these prints, smiles delivered, free shipping on your first order up to 10 prints. Or you can just get that. So you can get your prints now, and then, for example, no, this is just like, I wanna get like this photo, and then one free photo, and then you just select. If you wanna add some additional styles, then you just need to select that. But here you just see that, and then 5 on 5. So all other resolutions. Not resolutions, I don't know, the dimensions, how it's called, you just need to pay. But 4 and 6, it's free, and then you can also crop it. If you don't, you can delete it and then continue, and then just sign up, create an account quite easily. You can just sign up easily with Apple ID, Facebook, Google, and there you have it. You just enter your first, last name, email, and so that's what it is.